A candy-colored clown they call a Sandman tiptoes to my room every night, just to sprinkle stardust and to whisper, go to sleep, everything is alright. I close my eyes and dream away into those magic nights. I softly say a silent prayer like dreamers do, then I fall asleep to dream my dream of you. In dreams I walk with you, in dreams I talk to you, in dreams you're mine all of the time we're together. In dreams, but just before the dawn I wait and find you gone. I can help it if I try, but I remember when you say